Hi, I'm Praneeth. I'm from Hyderabad. So on 29th of March, I had a bike accident, and due to this accident, I had a fracture in my clavicle bone. On the a left hand shoulder, so I had the fracture. I came to Apollo Hospitals on 30th of March. I met Dr. Vivek Reddy. So and he suggested that the only way to fix the issue is that I need to have a surgery on my clavicle bone. I was ready for the surgery, and on 31st of March they have performed the surgery. So during the surgery, they install the plates and screws on my bone so that it can heal. So after the surgery, so I have a mild pain which is normal, so but I don't have much discomfort in my surgery area. And overall experience with Dr. Vivek Reddy and the Apollo Hospital is good. And today also he suggested some exercises and physiotherapies which I should be performing for the next 1 month. And I don't have any concerns with doctor here. And overall my experience with Apollo Hospitals and Dr. Vivek Reddy is good. Thank you Apollo Hospitals. Thank you Dr. Vivek Reddy.